Hi, I'm Jags, CEO and co-founder of Latent AI. Enterprises need a better and faster way to deliver edge AI. That's why we are introducing recipes as part of our LEIP development and deployment platform. LEIP Recipes give enterprises what they've been missing, a repeatable path for success. By automating model development and deployment, we speed the delivery of optimized edge models while making the whole process simpler to manage. Recipes are configured to your specific model and hardware target and come with power, latency, and memory footprints already optimized. And they run via a Docker container so they can run anywhere, anytime, and at scale. Recipes let enterprises focus on engineering their solution instead of researching AI. For more information on optimized edge model delivery, reach out to us at info@latentai.com. Thank you.